My skin barrier is ruined. That's how my skin barrier is. I have got these massive dry patches all over my face, as you can see over here. Right now it's the worst around the eyes over here. Here there is darkness wherever the skin is peeling, there's pigmentation from the underneath, and a lot of dry, hard flakiness. And this happened because I used a product which I thought would work very well for me, because it was a primer and a moisturizer in one product. This is from the Sugar Cosmetics, and I noticed that one product because I was using no other new product during this time. I've spoken about it in another video. If you want to catch it, it's going to be in the description box. Today I just wanted to talk about what can you do when your skin barrier is as damaged as mine is. Please don't listen to us YouTubers when you have this kind of situation, because you need a dermatologist's help. What has happened is your skin barrier is so badly harmed or so badly destroyed that now the cycle of how skin cells slough off or fall off, the dead cells, how they fall off and how the new cells come up, has been totally disrupted. So you're going to find a lot of flaking, the dryness, the patchiness is coming because of that. You now need to visit a dermatologist. My dermatologist has put me on 2 skin creams and also on oral medication. This becomes so bad. The first thing that I'm doing is I'm using this particular cream. This lotion is very thin and goes on almost immediately into the skin, and you just don't feel it at all. This is applied before the moisturizer and gets absorbed completely. It has a little bit of steroids. A lot of the skin creams do have steroids because steroids help rebalance the skin structure. These are completely safe. You don't have to worry about it as long as it's been prescribed by a dermatologist, not by anybody else. This cream is what will help my skin recover. The moisturizer that she has prescribed has got ingredients that will help heal my skin. It's got squalene, it's got glycerine, it's got aloe, it has dimethicone. All of these will help the skin heal back while also acting as humectants to trap the water inside, because that's what your skin barrier, when it's damaged, really requires. It requires a lot of moisture and hydration, and also has a lot of emollients. That means it's also going to prevent too much of water being lost from the skin. This is the Venusia moisturizing cream. It is very thick. You need very little even for your dry skin. It doesn't have a lot of slip and it tends to be thick, and it feels a little oily and glucky when you put it, but after some time it gets completely absorbed in the skin. It doesn't leave any sticky feeling at all. This whole process is going to take between 10 to 15 days for the skin to recover. Right now I'm on day 7 or day 8 I think, and there's been a marked improvement. I've not been able to do any skincare video during this time. I cannot use any other product, and you shouldn't use any other product when your skin barrier is recovering, because the skin barrier kind of ensures that the ingredients don't irritate the skin, right? So at this time, if you introduce any other product or new product into your skincare, or even a product that you've been using, it may harm your skin and actually make it worse. Remember, the protective shield around your skin, the protective shield around your face is now damaged. So a lot of things you're not supposed to go in will get in. So it's best to just stay away from most skincare and just stick to a very basic moisturizer, Vaseline. And if your barrier is as bad as mine, it has redness, it has scaling, it has got rough, dry, hard patches, and a lot of pigmentation wherever the skin is falling off, this, the darker skin tone underneath it, please visit a dermatologist. I'm going to be off skincare for some time. In the meantime, I'm going to be creating videos on other topics that you might be interested in. Let me know what your interest is, leave it in the comment section, and that's where I'm going to meet you for more conversations.